Fisher's music students. Please give them a round of applause.
Why is there daytime and nighttime? A long time ago, when it was day for a long time. When it was night for a long time. This made the farmers angry. They decided to shoot the sun with the crossbow. The sun ran away. It didn't want to get shot. The moon ran away. It didn't want to get shot either. The village tried to get the sun to come back out. They had the bull try. They had the tiger try. They had the owl try. They had the rooster try. The rooster crowed and the sun came out for a little while. Then the moon came out for a little while. Now when we heard the roosters coming out, now when we heard the rooster, we know the sun is coming out.